Atlas has 13 plus documented anomalies that defy natural explanation. This series covers them all before Atlas makes its closest approach to Earth on December 19th. Each episode breaks down specific mysteries that have scientists questioning everything we thought we knew about interstellar visitors. By the end, you'll understand why this changes everything. Subscribe to follow the complete series before Christmas. Previously on the Atlas Files, 3 trajectory anomalies with trillion-to-1 odds. Now we look at what Atlas is made of, and it's not what comets should contain. Atlas has 4 chemical signatures, each one unusual. Together, they paint a picture of composition that has never been seen in natural comets from our solar system or beyond. The nickel-to-iron ratio in Atlas's gas plume matches industrial alloys, not natural cosmic material. Spectroscopy measurements show nickel emissions at levels orders of magnitude higher than cyanide, the opposite pattern from every other comet observed. In natural formation, iron should dominate. In manufactured materials, nickel can be enriched for specific properties like corrosion resistance and strength. Atlas shows the manufactured pattern. Water content provides the second chemical mystery. Normal comets are 80 to 90% water ice. Atlas shows only 4% water in its composition analysis. It's essentially dry compared to every familiar comet. Either it formed in an extremely unusual stellar environment where water ice couldn't accumulate, or the bulk of its mass is something other than typical cometary ice. The third signature is extreme negative polarization of reflected light, a property never observed in any other comet, including the previous interstellar visitor Borisov. Polarization measurements reveal how light interacts with surface materials. Atlas's polarization signature doesn't match databases of known natural materials from our solar system. The fourth chemical mystery is the organic chemistry. ALMA telescope detected methanol and hydrogen cyanide with a ratio between 79 and 124 depending on observation date, placing Atlas among the highest methanol to HCN ratios ever measured in any comet. Only one anomalous solar system comet exceeds this ratio. Methanol serves as a building block for amino acids and RNA-DNA components, the precursors to life's chemistry. Atlas is carrying these molecules at unprecedented concentrations. But here's the directional mystery that compounds the chemical puzzle. Methanol is enhanced in the sunward direction, concentrated in the anti-tail, while hydrogen cyanide is depleted in that same direction. Natural sublimation shouldn't produce this pattern. Hydrogen cyanide originates from the nucleus as expected, but methanol is being generated in the gas plume itself at distances beyond 258 kilometers from the core. Chemical composition reveals origin and history. These 4 signatures together suggest either formation in a stellar environment completely unlike our Sun, or composition designed rather than naturally accumulated over billions of years in interstellar space. Why it matters? Industrial metal ratios, minimal water, unprecedented polarization, and life precursor molecules at extreme concentrations. This chemistry doesn't match the comet playbook. Comment below, which chemical signature is hardest to explain naturally? The nickel ratios, the dry composition, the polarization, or the organic molecules? Next up in the Atlas Files, the anti-tail paradox, material pointing toward the sun against all physics, and the trillion object swarm it revealed. Watch the playlist, Atlas Anomalies,